Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do is just hit that plus icon right here at the top of the bottom of the screen, and then
Hello everyone
and right here, as you can see, I can select the photo I want to add to my story. And what you have to do right here is to change the background color to whatever color you want, and in order to do that you just have to hit this icon with the three dots right here and select draw, and then select the color that you want to change your background to, and then tap and hold the screen, and then hit that check mark right here. Okay, so now that we've changed our background to a solid color, just hit this sticker icon right here, and we have to look and choose for this option with this icon with the plus right here to add a new photo. Okay, so that brings us to our gallery, and we can choose the photo we want to add, let's say this, and now we can adjust the size of the photo, make it larger or smaller or whatever you want. And again, if you want to add another photo, you just go back to this sticker icon right here and hit this button with the plus, and again you can select another photo as you want, and of course you can make it larger or smaller and resize it as you wish. And after you are ready and you have added all the photos that you want to post in your story, just go forward and post the story to your Instagram account. So this is all for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.